I wonder who dropped it. Was it you? Was it you, baby girl?
You wearing a hat?
What are you dropping?
Why was you wearing a hat?
Hey, Mila. It's your first Thanksgiving. It's your first Thanksgiving, beautiful. Happy Thanksgiving.
No, you
A
just
lot to be thankful for today, huh? Yeah. There's Mama over there. Jace, what's that cool watch you're wearing?
Huh?
Hi. Ready for some din-din? Huh? Or you say brunch?
11 o'clock.
What do you call that? Dinner or lunch? Or was it dunch? What do you call it? Linner?
The lunch.
Brunch, linner? What do you call that? What do you call that?
The
Brunch
lunch,
or linner?
The lunch.
The lunch. Alright. Get over here. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Go eat some food. Don't eat your fingers, though. Don't eat your fingers.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Pumpkin.
Happy Thanksgiving.
What do you want, buddy?
Yeah, same.
Alright. Get some food, huh? Look at the ice. Nice, huh? Happy Sunday. Oh, Mela. How's Mela doing? She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Yummy. Are you awake? Hi. You awake?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna look at you.
Good, Jace? Good? Yummy.
Bring it real life. Early?
With chocolate milk?
Are we supposed to put it?
Don't take it off. Come here.
Don't leave him.
Yo, Jay's too fast for you, buddy. She's just too fast.
Huh?
Oh no. You're doing good.
She's looking down. It's too right.
Yo, now you're too fast, Jay. She's too fast now.
I got him. I got him. I got him.
We just ate our Thanksgiving lunch dinner. So going home. We're going enjoying Thanksgiving.
What's going on?
What, Jace?
Oh, he's not tired.
Tired running. So we're thankful for the family, friends, all you guys that support us here. Thank you for joining our journey. Happy Thanksgiving.